Hi mga katwinkle! So today we will cook picadillo. This is one of my favorite carinderia dish in the Philippines. Oh, may ganung level. So for the preparation of picadillo, this is my own version so wag nyo akong ibabash. So we have here giniling. It's a minced pork. And then we have bell pepper or capsicum. We have tomato paste. I choose the tomato paste because this one can give the more red color. And I also have some carrot and potato. So also we have minced garlic and onion. Okay, so for the starter, so we will use oil. So magpainit lang ng pan and then put the oil. Uy, isama mo naman ako. Ayaw mo kong isali sa video. So pag mainit na yung pan, that's the time we will put the minced garlic and onion. So I put a lot of onion. So this one can give a super nice taste. We mince onion. Hi. So kaunting ano lang mga pasintabi. So as a woman of today na lagi nating kiniklaim that we are strong, independent woman. So kailangan nakakapag-prepare ka rin ng your own meal. Kasi diba, if you remember, during pandemic, hindi tayo nakakalabas and not a lot of countries have access to Grab or Food Panda, especially yung na-confide ako sa Papua New Guinea for 6 months. So talagang naobliga ako to prepare my own meal. So dapat talaga ready ka for this new world. So now this minced meat is napakulo ko na siya prior. So para mas mabilis yung ating pagluluto. Kasi gutom na ako. It's late lunch already. Actually, this is also my breakfast. So after that, we will put some I want to put some pepper. This is one of my favorite ingredients. Thank you, Manang Cake, for having me this. And I also have to put some paprika. Although my papa don't like this. Papa don't like paprika. But I want to have this one, to have some cake. And after that, actually pwede rin pala itong ilagay sa ano, no? Yung sa mga parang burrito or something. So I put some...
Yung wrap.
Yeah, the wrap. This one.
Magic sa wrap.
This is capsicum. I love the red color one, the variant. Oh, yung hinog na pala I should say. And then put some potato. Sorry for the potato, napaka-irregular na mga shapes niya kasi hindi talaga ako marunong maghiwa-hiwa. So hindi yun yung aking talent, but I can cook. After that, we put the carrot. Wow, nangangamoy na siya. I think I have to put some patis. Can I put some patis? Hindi to put it. Although I love the Thai version of the fish sauce that we are using in Singapore before. But